What I learned, honestly, was my ability to perform stronger than I was. So I had this story of like, I'm only as good as X, Y, and Z, right? That 30%. And you look at some of these public figures, like I would never be able to do business with them. I'd never be able to sit in the same room and have the same conversations. I was like, when I hit this mountain, I was in peak state, peak form, ready to go. And I found something different inside of me on a physical level that I couldn't find in business. And when we were hiking up and down this mountain, it got to 11 o'clock at night, and the people I was hiking with, unfortunately one of them had some pretty soreness and they had to step out, and two of the other guys were slowing down so slow that I couldn't even, like, they were barely even walking, but they weren't giving up, though they were going to go. And we still had 2 more laps to go. So the people I was hiking with, one left to go nap and come back, the other 2 I left behind. And that in that exact moment, I was like, I just have some sort of grit, willpower,